This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add the upper lip for my free Amigurumi crochet pattern, Dan the Dinosaur. We'll be working into the exposed front loops of round 17 of the head where we attached the teeth. Create a slip knot on your hook, leaving a 6-inch yarn tail. Hold your dinosaur upside down and single crochet into the first 2 exposed front loops. Complete a half double crochet in each of the 15 exposed loops across the teeth. Then single crochet in the last 2 exposed front loops. Fasten off, leaving a 6-inch yarn tail. Secure with a knot, then hide the yarn tails on each side inside the work. Congratulations! You have now completed an adorable dinosaur. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!